In this video, one of the simplest methods to make money online is by using the top 3 applications that actually pay you real money. How do you do it? We'll soon find out. These are the top 3 applications that actually pay you money. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Therefore, if you find this video to be useful, think about subscribing with notification. I want to ask you a question. Do you frequently use your smartphone? Probably yes. And if that is the case, you can begin earning money online even if you have never done so before. It is also feasible to do this without spending any money because it is totally free. You need to do nothing more than download the apps I'll teach you to start earning money. Before I continue, let me show you how to do this. I'm from fill in the blank, which is your country, please comment. I'll be able to pinpoint your specific origin if you do that. I'll be able to ensure that every video I release from now on is for you. Don't forget to stay around and watch all the way to the finish of this video because I have a special bonus for you there. Let's return to the video now. Okay, as I mentioned in the introduction, I have 3 apps to show you today. So without further ado, let's use Userfieldcom as our first example. I believe that many of you were unaware of this software until recently. But first, what exactly is Userfieldcom? It's an app, after all, where you can evaluate different websites and apps and get paid for it. In order to uncover any flaws or issues in the aforementioned applications and websites, organizations from all over the world will basically need someone to test their apps. This is where Userfield.com comes in. Companies will pay Userfield.com and Userfield.com will pay individuals like us to conduct the testing. So it's as simple as that to get compensated. And as you might have guessed, conducting such testing doesn't call for a specific knowledge base, set of abilities, or level of expertise. Additionally, this software is incredibly well-liked and has thousands of testers from around the globe. Therefore, this is perhaps one of the nicest aspects of this program and does work in the majority of nations, including yours. They also have hundreds of satisfied customers, some of whom are listed below. As you can see, these customers include a number of very well-known companies that I'm sure some of you will immediately recognize. Along with the functionality of this app, you may see a lot of other information. Userfield is a user testing and usability tool that is multilingual in any language, test any website. More than 130,000 testers who speak 40 languages make up our panel. This, in my opinion, attracts many of their users to the app because it allows non-English websites and apps to be evaluated without any issues because there are testers from all over the world. We can see some information on the testers themselves here. Thus, it is unquestionably pertinent to us. Tests on a tablet, smartphone, or desktop. We can test websites or applications on Android, iPhone, or iPad using both our software and an external camera, which is why I claimed in the introduction that you can do this with just your smartphone. Of course, it is ultimately up to you. However, the fact that this is possible on a smartphone is a huge plus because it virtually eliminates the need for you to be at home in order to test the apps. All you need is a phone or tablet. You can see that you can receive your results quickly down here, along with some additional app information that I won't discuss because it's unimportant to us. Instead, you should go down and click on Tester FAQ, which will bring you to this page where you can see that you can earn $10 for each test that lasts between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, you can earn $10 in at most 20 minutes and at least 10 minutes. Considering the fact that you essentially don't need any skills to do this, that's a significant sum of money. I suggest that you read everything on this page in its entirety when you arrive at it. But before I go, if you guys love this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort making, I would really appreciate it if you guys click the like button and turned on your subscription notifications. Let's return to the video now. First off, Userfield has the amazing benefit of not requiring payment for anything as stated here. However, a microphone and a Windows or Mac computer are required. You don't even need to purchase a microphone if you have a laptop because it already has a one built in. But if you already have one or need to purchase one, you don't require anything too pricey. Literally, it indicates that it can cost as little as $2. Don't worry, you won't have to use your real name when taking the test. The qualification test is also very significant to note. Therefore, you won't be allowed to start taking tests straight immediately. However, this certification merely confirms that you own a microphone and are capable of carrying out various activities. Again, nothing too complicated. How you are compensated is the final important point. As you can see, you do receive payment via Amazon gift cards or PayPal. And I can tell from some of your comments that some of you want apps that accept payments not just in cryptocurrency but also in other forms. Additionally, PayPal is unquestionably an option with this software. Simply scroll down below, click Become a Tester, and complete these fields to get started with Userfield and start earning money. The second app on our list is Honeygain.com, which we will now discuss. The best way to generate passive money online is with Honeygain, due to the fact that you will be paid for sharing your internet. This app is very different from the previous one. Now, don't worry, nothing is jeopardizing your security. And as you can see, Honeygain is secure as you can see here. So they won't steal your data and your internet traffic is only used by the people they trust. It ensures that your internet traffic is only utilized by trusted partners and the app never requests for or acquires access to the storage of your device. You can go straight here to read more about this. You may see how Honeygain functions directly below. In conclusion, it increases the number of users who can access the internet. You are then compensated for doing precisely that. You can view the 5 steps to Honeygain down here. Installing this is the initial stage. After that, you run Honeygain, which uses your internet traffic to collect data that will benefit other businesses and then you get paid. You can do this using Bitcoin or PayPal. The final point about this app worth mentioning is that it doesn't pay a lot of money, which I can't leave out. Additionally, your internet connection has a big impact on how much money you receive. You may leave Honeygain running and it will continue to generate income for you. Therefore, in my opinion, you should utilize Userfield when you have time to spare and Honeygain when you don't. MoneyOrg is the third app that we'll be discussing today. This software has one of the highest ratings of its kind that I've ever seen. As you can see, it's also accessible through the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. If you head over to the App Store, you'll notice that this app not only has a 4.9 star rating, but also that hundreds of thousands of individuals have given it that rating. This only serves to demonstrate that this app can and will earn you money. You will be compensated for completing the many activities they have available by earning credits, which you can later swap for cash. So it's not particularly complicated, that is all there is to it. And that's it. I hope you learned a lot today. Don't hesitate to comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time!